Good morning, sports investors. You're listening to the Sports Advisors, the nation's #1 sports investment firm. I'm your host, three-time Las Vegas Sporting News handicapping champion. I'm Jerry Hendel. I'm joined in the studio by Bobby Edwards. Bobby is our underdog king and Big East specialist. Bobby is absolutely on fire. Another big underdog winner last week. Washington plus 5.5 over Rutgers. An outright 37-34 winner. Bobby is absolutely on fire. And stay tuned because Bobby is going to give a free underdog winner at the end of the show. So stay tuned. Folks, it's week number 2. The phones lit up last weekend. Busy weekend, but it didn't light up enough. You didn't call. So what I want every listener to do right now, before we even get to the show, is give us a call right now. Don't wait till the end of the show. Call us now at 1-888-484-G-MAN. 888-484-4626. 1-888-484-G-MAN. I'm going to give you absolutely free just for calling the winner of Nebraska, Miami, Georgia Tech, Notre Dame, and Stanford, USC. Tomorrow, you're going to get the winner of the 49ers, Steelers, the Patriots, Bills, and the Chargers, Bengals. That's 6-0. Absolutely free. Even the caller's free. Call us right now at 1-888-484-G-MAN. 888-484-4626. Again, 888-484-G-MAN is the number. Give us a call right now for the 6 free picks. Also, we're going to run the $1,000 special on the 80K bankroll games. So if you have as little as $1,000 to play with, you want to turn that into $8,000 by Monday, give us a call. Use code 777 when you call us. You'll talk to me, Bobby, or Joe. We'll get you on the $80,000 bankroll games. Again, this is the last week that we're going to do the $1,000 80K bankroll game. So if you want to turn 1,000 into 8, doubling your money 3 times, 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 3 easy winners. Within 48 hours, you will make 8 times your money. 888-484-4626. If you're a small player and you just want to get your feet wet, we have a special, $299 for the month. For $299, you're going to get a month. You're going to get the general regular picks, and you'll make some money too. And then we get you up to the bigger and better things. As you make a little money on the smaller games, we'll get you up to the bigger games. A lot of people have started off like that. So if you only have a few dollars to play with, $299 for a whole month. That's $10 a day. You spend more on a Starbucks breakfast. So, again, 888-484-4626. And as always, you can go to the website. You can listen to this show in its entirety. Go to www.jerrywins.com. That's JERRYWINS.com. www.jerrywins.com. You can listen to this show from start to finish. Also, while you're there, Bobby has his guaranteed pick available. For $99, you get his guaranteed pick. The game must win, or you get your money back. www.jerrywins.com. So, Bobby, any surprises week 1? There was a couple of them. Arkansas went down like a ton of bricks.
Yeah.
I mean, it was not shocking today, that Buffalo beat the Colts, but that was a good win for Buffalo, a 2-point underdog. Well, the lines makers obviously had them in that game, making it only 2 points, so the lines makers knew something.
Yeah, well, I think anytime you go to Buffalo, Jerry, whether it's early September or late December, it's a tough place to play.
It is.
And
Buffalo fans are crazy loud, too.
Yeah, I mean, Tyrod Taylor, that's not exactly a household name. That's the starting quarterback for Buffalo. So, nobody really knew what was going to go on with this guy. And he went out there and he
Rex
played.
Don't go for those big-name quarterbacks. He's a defensive guy anyway.
That's true, Geno Smith. But, Tyrod Taylor, he went out there and he did what they were supposed to do. He managed a good game. Andrew Luck, the anointed one, I like to call him. Everyone thinks this. I mean, listen, he's been a really good quarterback, but he throws a lot of interceptions.
Yeah.
And we saw that, last Sunday. He was right where he should be. I think a couple of touchdowns and a couple of interceptions. And it was a great win for Buffalo, a great win for Rex Ryan. But how about my Jets? I mean, they didn't start out looking that good.
Yeah.
And they wound up playing, I don't want to say typical Jet football, but it was kind of workmanlike.
Yeah.
Fitzpatrick, was 15 to 24. Nothing. I mean, his QBR was 95, which is a nice stat.
Yeah.
That's a pretty stat. But, overall, the defense played really well. Cleveland started out pretty good. I believe it was 10-0, and the Jets turned up the notch on the defense, and they won 30-10. So it was a good win for the Jets. What about the Giant game? You want to talk about surprises?
Yeah.
You want to talk about how do you give away a game with 1 minute and 30 seconds left? Just ask Tom Coughlin and Eli Manning, and they wrote the book on how to give away a game.
I wasn't watching the game. I fell asleep that night, but if they kick a field goal there, it's not like a field goal wins the game. That would have just tied it, right? At the point. So they went for the win. He took the sack. I mean, he tried to hang in there until, and scored a touchdown there. They scored a touchdown, then the game's over. I understand, but if they were down by 1 and a field goal could win the game, then that's one thing. But they still hadn't had the game won with a field goal. They still have to go out there and play overtime.
But it would have been a lot better to be at 26-20.
In hindsight, though,
with
it was
30
a bad
seconds
move.
left instead of 1 minute and 30. So,
right.
It was kind of a waste of 90 seconds. And, you give Tony Romo the ball with little time left. And he went out there and took care of business without Des Bryant, who's supposedly out for 4 weeks. So he can't catch a break, that guy. He gets all his money, and now he's hurt. So, listen, there's a lot of games that we're going to be talking about for the next 60 minutes. So for those people that just listened to the show for the first time, shame on you. I mean, but we've been in basically the same markets for the last, 9 years?
10 years.
So there's 30, 35 cities out there that have been listening to our Golden Voices on Saturday mornings. And a lot of people are calling, and a lot of people are starting early, Jerry, because I think they've realized that you're not going to pick these games on your own.
Right.
Don't let the couple of weeks go by, because we hear it every time. Guys will call, grab the free games, and say, Bobby, I'm going to try this on my own for a couple of weeks. I'll call you if I need your help. And you know what happens then. I call them back, because that's what we do. And
they're buried.
Yeah, and all of a sudden they're down $2,000 or $3,000. Bobby, I should have called you earlier. What can you do for me? Okay, well, listen, instead of being that guy, be the people that, come on board, whether it's for $299 or they come on board for $1,000, and they give themselves an opportunity to get out of the gate quickly, start making some money, build that bankroll, so they're not calling us early August and early October, and they're down $4,000 or $5,000. So I'm going to give out the number. People should write it down, add it to your phone, your top 5, 888-484-4626. There's plenty of ways of making money with us. You don't necessarily have to come up with $10,000. I mean, those people that have that kind of money, obviously,
we'll make $80,000 this weekend.
Yeah, exactly. Those are the people that keep the doors open. But everybody's interested in betting on sports. They just don't know how to go about it. So it's not rocket science. God knows if we can do it. You listening out there, you can do it also. But you need somebody in your corner that can help navigate you through all these point spreads. And there's lots of them. There's lots of crazy spreads. We looked at some of the college games last weekend, Jerry, last Saturday. A lot of big favorites. A lot covered. I think I calculated there was 14, 20 or more plus, minus 20s out there or better, and 8 out of 14 covered. So that means 8 teams that were minus 20 or more covered the spread, and 6 teams did not cover the spread that were laying a lot of points. But, you mentioned the Arkansas game. They were laying 22, and they lost outright. I mean, that's got to be a little bit embarrassing, if you're Arkansas. I mean, that's kind of a crazy spread to be laying that many points. I mean, I don't know the reasons. We didn't watch the game. It wasn't a game that we had an opinion on. I don't know. Maybe the time change messed them up. But, they played in Little Rock. So it was really, it was like a home team for Arkansas. Laying 22, they lose outright to Toledo. But Toledo supposedly is, has one of those teams that's pretty good. They're just, at a conference. But there's a lot of games like that today. A lot of laying 20 or more. And you're going to see, Jerry, as the season goes along, those you're not going to get those minus 30s and minus 40s. Mm-hmm. All these big teams that play what I call cupcake teams.
Tune-up games.
Yeah, that's the nice way of putting it. I always called it cupcake. I always mention, Florida playing the Citadel and, just some wacky matchups of schools I never even heard of. But, they're still going to be like that. And, if you want to play games like that, take a shot. Last week it worked more than it didn't. But 888-484-4626 is the number to get a hold of us. We'll talk point spreads. We'll talk about how much money we can help you make. Listen, there's a lot of great football coming up, in the next couple of weeks. But there's a lot of great football today, folks. So don't be afraid. Pick up the phone. What are we running? The $2.99 special? Yep. So that gets you 30 days. So basically from today, the 19th, so basically October 19th, you're going to get 30 days of service. You'll get about a game a day on an average, which is more than enough action. Obviously, on Saturdays and Sundays, you'll get a little more. So for $2.99, like I said, you're getting a month of service. You'll get to speak to myself, Jerry or Joe, and you'll get our daily picks, which are hitting about 60 to 62%, which you can make some money on. If you catch us on the right week, maybe you go on a nice 8-0 tail like we've done and we did in preseason. We killed it in preseason. No sense of talking about what happened in the past. But again, we had a preseason where we hit 75% of our games. 888-484-4626.
Okay, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to explain the $80,000 bankroll games. For you guys that never heard us before, most of you guys know what it is. They're our best games, and these are games that we bet on ourselves. I mean, these are the games that we are betting on. If you take the regular picks last weekend, I think Saturday we won 4 and lost 3. Sunday we were 6-3. So overall, you're looking at a little over 60%, 64, 65%. We had a good day Sunday, not so good day Saturday. But those games are going to hit about 60 to 65%. They'll make you some money, but the cream of the crop is the $80,000 bankroll games. And the reason they're called that is because back when we implemented this program back in the early 2000s, the economy was booming. Everybody had money. You know, you could just walk into the bank and refinance your house, and they'd give you 150% of what your house was worth. So money was cheap and easy to get back then. And what we would do is we would take 3 games and double our money 3 times. Try to do that in the stock market. If you start with $10,000 in the stock market and in 1 year you got 11, you did phenomenal. You did better than 90% of the stockbrokers out there. Most of them are earning about 5%. Here we're making you 8 times your money in 1 weekend. Anyway, you would start off with $10,000 on a Saturday or whatever the first game went. You would bet 10 grand on the game. Now your account would have 20 grand in it. The 10 you started with and the 10 that you won. Now you bet 20,000 on the next game. Your account goes from 20 to 40. And then on the third game, your account, you bet 40 and you go to 80. So in 3 games, you've turned 10,000 into 80. And that's why they're called the $80,000 bankroll games. Now, last week we had a few people that came on board with 5 grand. So 5 turns into 20. 2,500 turns into 20,000. And if you're a small guy and you just want to stick your toe in the water, we'll do a $1,000 special. If you put $1,000 into this, I'll turn it into 8,000 by Monday. 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 8. If you want to make some money this weekend, call us. The $80,000 bankroll games, one of them's going in the next hour. So call and ask for Joe, me, or Bobby. Just use code 777 when you call. They'll put you through to one of us. The number is 888-484-4626. 888-484-G-MAN. 888-484-4626 is the number. Give us a call for the $80,000 bankroll games. We're going to take a break, folks, but before we do, I want everybody to give us a call because even if you call us and you don't want to buy anything, we'll make you money for free. I got 3 free winners for today and 3 free winners for tomorrow. Today you're going to get Nebraska, Miami, Georgia Tech, Notre Dame, and Stanford, Southern Cal. All of them are TV games, too. Tomorrow you're going to get the Niners, Steelers, the Patriots, Bills, and the Chargers, Bengals. That's 6-0, absolutely free. Even the caller's free. Call us right now at 1-888-484-G-MAN. 1-888-484-4626. 888-484-G-MAN is the number. Give us a call. 6 free winners. Also, we got the $2.99 special. You want to just get your feet wet? Ask for the $2.99 special. All you got to do is ask the girl. We'll get it done for you. $2.99 for a whole month of service, $10 a day. You can't go wrong at that. And last but not least, go listen to the radio show online. If you're not going to be able to stay in your car all this time, go to www.jerrywins.com. While you're there, Bobby's got his guaranteed pick, $99. Game must win your money back. www.jerrywins.com. You'll listen to the Sports Advisors Radio Network, and we'll be right back. I'm Jerry Hendel of the Sports Advisors, the only 3-time winner of the Las Vegas Sporting News Handicapping Contest. And we are on fire here at the Sports Advisors. I want all listeners to give me a call right now. I have a game today that will not lose. You heard me right. It will not lose. If you're tired of losing and you want to make money, give me a call right now. I have a game that will not lose. My number is 1-888-484-4626. That's 1-888-484-4626.
1-888-484-4626. 1-888-484-4626. Give me a call. We're here all day. Operators are standing by. And as I said, I have a game that will not lose. You call me and get this game, I will guarantee this game against the rest of the season. This game must win, or I'll give you the rest of the season absolutely free. Give me a call for this winner right now. The number's 1-888-484-4626. 1-888-484-4626.
Many have tried, but only one has ever accomplished it. And that was winning the Las Vegas Sporting News Handicapping Challenge 3 times. Not once, not twice, but 3 times. He is the only man that has ever done it. Here's Jerry Handel of the Sports Advisors. Call him for a free selection on today's action. Call him for a free selection right now to prove how strong his information is. Call him at 1-800-484-4626. 1-800-484-4626. Jerry Handel. The only one.
Hello, this is Bobby Edwards getting back to you from the Sports Advisors. We have been on fire since week 1, and I want everybody to pick up the phone and call us. I have a big underdog that's going to happen tonight. It's going to be one of my best underdogs of the year. You're going to pick up the phone and call us at 888-484-4626. That's 888-484-4626. My underdogs right now are hitting 65%. If you're out there and you're losing on your own, all you need to do again is pick up the phone. I'll have a big underdog tonight, and I can tell you right now, this is an underdog that's going to win outright. Pick up the phone and call us, 888-484-4626. But make sure you do yourselves a favor. If you're gambling on your own and you're not making any money, pick up the phone, 888-484-4626. I have a huge underdog that I'm looking at tonight that's going to win outright, 888-484-4626.
Once again, Jerry and Bobby, the Sports Advisors.
And we're back. You're listening to the Sports Advisors, the nation's #1 sports investment firm. In case you just joined us, I'm your host, 3-time Las Vegas Sporting News handicapping champion. I'm Jerry Handel. Joined in the studio by Bobby Edwards. Bobby is our underdog king and Big E specialist. Bobby is on fire. And if you listen to us to the end of the show, Bobby's going to give you a free underdog winner right here on the air. Absolutely free, but you have to stay on and listen. If you can't stay on and listen, go to the website and put the radio show on there, www.jerrywins.com, www.jerrywins.com. You can listen to this show in its entirety. Also, for 6 free winners, call us right now at 1-888-484-G-MAN, 1-888-484-4626, 1-888-484-G-MAN is the number. Give us a call right now. Operators are standing by, and just for calling, you're going to get 6, not 3, not 4, not 5, but 6 free winners today and tomorrow. Give us a call right now, 888-484-4626. Bobby,
Yes.
Week number 1 is come and gone. There was a couple of surprises out there. As we said, Arkansas goes down like a ton of bricks.
Yeah.
Buffalo
And
played a real
yeah.
good game this weekend. We knew they were going to be good with their, defensive-minded coach, but they played real well. I'm surprised at how bad Washington looks.
Oh, they're down
I
there.
figured with the backup quarterback, I think he's better than RJ3. And I guess he had his moment in the sun. He looked really good at first, and then he just went to the crapper.
Yeah, that's a team that's in trouble. I mean, I can list the bottom of the kitty litter of NFL.
How about Jacksonville and the Raiders?
Jacksonville, Raiders, Redskins. I mean, these teams they don't look like there's any future for them either.
The Redskins may have to change their name.
Yeah, exactly. So there's just 3 or 4 teams right there that, Cleveland's not going to be good. I mean, even though the Jets beat them, Cleveland's, their defense is okay. But, if you let the Jets score 30 points, that's they're in trouble.
Yeah.
And then everybody else is mediocre. I mean, look at Seattle. They had a tough time. They lost in overtime to St. Louis. Now, St. Louis is a team on the rise.
Right.
I like them. I think they're the
But
team
Seattle's
to
a
watch.
defending Super Bowl team. I mean, they
lost.
No, I'm saying they're the defending
Super Bowl team, right.
Super Bowl team.
Yeah, in the Super Bowl, right.
And they just look pretty bad.
Yeah.
I don't know.
There is a theory, though, that we like to watch. You go against the losing Super Bowl team, you go against them the first 4 weeks, and they usually don't cover. Well, if you go against them, then you win 3 out of 4 of those weeks. That's pretty good. So that's something to watch for you pencil pushers.
Well, let's see who Seattle's got next week.
Yeah, well, let's see who they got tomorrow. Seattle tomorrow is at Green Bay. They could be 0-2 to start the season.
Yeah.
Not to say that we like Green Bay. God forbid we give you a little hint. But Green Bay at home -3.5 tomorrow.
And then they're going to play Chicago at home on the 27th.
Yeah, so that they could be 1-2 to start the year because Chicago's another team.
Chicago's a team that you never know which team's going to show up. I mean, they gave the
Green Bay
Packers a hard time in the beginning.
Yeah, but Jay Cutler. I mean, he's just one of those guys where I don't know. There's something between his head. I don't know if it's brains or.
They got a lot of games in London, England this year too.
Yeah, so I think the Jets are in England on a Monday night. Is that possible? That the Jets? I think. Yeah, I don't want to get ahead of myself, but listen, today's college football, folks. Everybody loves college football. There was a huge study done by one of the big gambling companies a couple of years ago that 30% of the people that go to a game actually have action on it. I don't know exactly how they pull that off. How do you do that survey if you go into a college football game? What do you just raise your hand if you're betting on the game today and 30,000 people raise their hand? But and I think it's more. I think a lot of people go to these games. Obviously to watch, but I also think there's a lot of people that have action on these games. We know that, just besides the circle of people that we know, just the average person.
Bobby, if you didn't have action on these games,
get right in there.
Would you even bet this game? Would you ever? No, if you weren't betting these games, would you even watch them?
Well, there was a time when I wasn't betting on these games, Jerry. I mean, when I was a young lad, 10, 11, 12.
But,
I watched them for the sport of it.
My first bet was in 1969. I was 8 years old, and I bet lunch for a week that the Mets would win the World Series.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean, we used to bet the little parlay cards, where you got to win 4 out of 4, 5 out of 5, and then it turned into I took action when I was in college. So, it's kind of been in my blood. I mean, I went to college, got a degree in finance, could have easily, been a stockbroker, but it was kind of boring.
Yeah.
So I said, you know what? I like sports. I like to gamble. How about sports betting? That makes sense. So, folks, this is an infomercial about betting on sports. So if you've been interested in doing this, you didn't quite know how to get into it, your friends are doing it, and you're afraid to take a shot with it, you're not sure about the legalities of sports betting, we'll answer all those questions for you, get you started, and get you into something that's very exciting. I mean, we always talk about portfolios and how we think, there should be 10% of the pie should be sports betting. I mean, everybody's got real estate and cash and 401ks, and pork bellies and Arabian horses. How about you get involved and you get some sports betting in there? I mean, people want to bet on sports. We know that. And we touch such a small percentage of people who are actually, betting on the games. But we know the Super Bowl generates $15 billion worth of legal bets. And we know offshore there's billions of dollars being wagered every weekend, especially on football. Football is king. Everybody knows that. And then I think college basketball is right in after that. People do bet baseball, but they don't quite understand the money line and how that works. A 5-year-old can figure it out, and we can teach you how to do that also. But there's a lot of ways to make money betting on sports. You need somebody in your corner that can help you get started with this. And again, if you're looking to make extra money, even if it's an extra couple of $100 a week, or if you have a lot of money and you just want to do something to aggravate your better half, we can accomplish that also. So there's a lot of ways that you can get involved in sports betting. There's a lot of wrong ways to get involved with it. And by that, I mean a lot of people that play on their own. It's very difficult to do that. I mean, how you can sit and dissect, 100 Division I football games today, good luck. I mean, it takes us all week to narrow down 5 or 6 games, and that's still, it's not 100%. So it's not an exact science. We don't have a crystal ball, but, we are working very hard. There's a lot of trends. Jerry and I have been in this business since the 80s. So there's a lot of, things that we can do to help you navigate all these lines. 888-484 4626 is the number to call. We know you're in your car probably taking your kids to soccer or gymnastics or whatever sport they're doing, or you're on your way to work, or you're just getting home from the clubs, whatever it is. If you're up early on a Saturday morning, you're hearing the show, pick up the phone. Don't be afraid to call us, and let's make some money. 888-484-4626. I'm going to have a game at the end of the show that I'm going to give out for free on top of some of the free games that we offer. So, again, folks, it's the second week of football season, pro football at least. We're like the third week of college. You believe it? College starts early and earlier every year, Jerry.
Yep.
888-484-4626.
Yeah, well, it was also the fact that the pros started real late. Labor Day fell late this year. It says later, the latest Labor Day could possibly fall is on the 7th, and that's what it fell on this year. And I'm going to explain the $80,000 bankroll games again to the folks out there. Folks, when you listen to this show and you hear John from Buffalo, who's living in Vegas now, or Stephanie from Cincinnati, or
Carlos from
Long Beach, California. These are the games that our top clients are getting. And when you hear guys that are making $100,000, $200,000, $300,000, that's what they're betting. The $80,000 bankroll games is what they're betting. And basically, these are our by far best games. These are the games that we get the big information on. There's games that we handicap, there's games that we say should win, and there's games that we know will win. These are the games that we know will win. And listen, there's 100 games every weekend. We just got to find 2 or 3 of them where the lines makers mess up so bad that you can't help but take advantage of them. And those are the $80,000 bankroll games. And again, the reason they're called the $80,000 bankroll games is because initially you had to start with $10,000. And 10,000 doubled up 3 times is 80. 10 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 80. But this week, if you have as little as $1,000, we'll get you on the $80,000 bankroll games. I'll turn 1,000 into 8,000 by Monday. And I'll tell you what, I'll even put my money where my mouth is. If I don't go 3-0 this weekend, I'll work the rest of the season free. I don't give away a ham sandwich. So you call me today, you get on the $80,000 bankroll games, and I'll work the rest of the season free if you don't go 3-0. That's how strong I am on these games. I will not lose. 888-484-4626. And Bobby, another thing too is, and we always mention this on the show, when you're in the stock market, and you call up your stockbroker and you say, hey, whatever, I want you to buy me 1,000 shares of Disney. In a week, if Disney goes up or down and you go to sell it, he gets his commission when you buy it. He gets his commission again when you sell it. He don't care if it goes up or down. He makes his commission either way. With our business, we only make based on winning. Because once you pay us to get on board, you're not going to pay us again unless we make your money. So basically, our interest coincide with the customer's interest. The more you make, the more we make. And also, we're betting the same games you are. So the more you make, the way more we're making betting on the games as well. So basically, we're right there with you. We have our money where our mouth is. We're in the trenches with the customers, so to speak, Bobby. We're in the trenches with them.
Yeah, oh, totally. I mean, we've been in the market for years now, and we've had our ups and downs. And, what does it say, 10 years to double your money? Is that about right? It takes about 10 years to double your money?
7 to 10.
Yeah, can you imagine that? Can you imagine doubling your money in a weekend of football?
8 times.
Yeah, I mean, people just don't grasp the concept. And, it's risky. We know that. I mean, it's the old
no risk, no reward.
Yeah, high risk, high reward, and we're admitting that. Yeah, this is a risky thing, but again, we're only talking about 3 straight winners. We're not saying 10-0, 8-0, 12-0. We're talking about winning 3 straight games, and then people often say to me, "Well, Bobby, why don't you just put them into a 3-team parlay?" Well, because we know mathematically it works out to where you'll make more money if you double up on your money 3 times.
And here's another thing: if you put in a 3-team parlay, Bobby, you got to put all 3 games in today.
Right.
What if I only like 1 game today, 1 game tomorrow, and 1 game the next? What if I don't even know what tomorrow's game is?
Exactly.
I'm not going to force myself. So for that aspect alone, you don't do a 3-team parlay. And also, if you bet $1,000 on a 3-team parlay, it pays 5 plus your 1,000 back. That's 6.
Right.
If you take 1,000 and double it 3 times, that's 7,000 profit and a total of 8. So it's $2 more $1,000 in total.
Right, which is real money.
Which is 2,000.
And also logistically, when we're talking about giving out these games, somebody's out in Vegas and they're betting $10,000 on a game, they have to go collect, or, rebet the game. So there's a time crunch sometimes. I mean, we're always looking out after that, where if we have an early game, we want to make sure the game ends in time for somebody to go pick it it up. Now, you might say, okay, well, that's why it's easier to give out a 3-team parlay. But things happen. If we're giving out 2 college football games on a Saturday and 1 pro game, again, things do happen in games like the Georgia game that we had 2 weeks ago. It got rained out. I mean, the game was, basically almost a legitimate game.
How about this, Bobby?
But it had to finish, and it didn't finish. So if you had it in a 3-team parlay, there goes that. You didn't give yourself a chance to win another game. So that's listen, there's a lot of reasons why we do it this way.
How about this, Bobby? Remember the game last year where a quarterback got rushed to the hospital right before the game, emergency appendectomy?
Right.
Now, instead of betting that game in a 3-team parlay, I could call all my customers and say, get off that game or don't bet it.
Right. And let's face it, one game at a time is always, something that we preach, and we like to practice what we preach. So, financially it works out better. Logistically it works out better. And listen, if you're handicapping games like we do, you want to it's hard enough to pick one game.
Let alone 3.
Yeah, let alone 3. So, 2 games today, 1 game tomorrow, or sometimes it's 1 game late on Saturday, 2 Sunday games. We've even had situations where the 3rd game was a Sunday night or a Monday night.
Right.
So, it's all about timing, getting that perfect matchup, getting that point spread that's in your favor, and you're not going to know that unless you call us up and experience it. So if you have that money, it's $1,000. You really need $2,000. You need $1,000 to bet and $1,000 to pay us. But listen, it's well worth it, okay? To give yourself a chance to win $8,000 in 3 games. Listen, again, money doesn't grow on trees, but this is, we've tried every way to make money consistently on sports betting, and these are, it might sound crazy, but these are some of the tried and true methods that have made people more money in a weekend than they might make in a year.
Right.
888-484-4626 is the number to call. And again, folks, we're here every day, pretty much 7 days a week. So if you don't get a chance to call us today, the deal still stands on Sunday. Obviously, you're going to miss part or all of the $80,000 bankroll. But if you're only interested in coming on board for the month, we have people that call us on Mondays through Fridays, and we don't change the deal. $2.99, 30 days. Now, this deal, monthly deal, might change next week. A lot of it has to do with supply and demand. So 888-484-4626 is the number. All right, we'll answer all your questions about, how to get involved with this, where can you bet the games, and so on and so forth.
Okay, we're going to take a break, but before we do, I want all listeners to pick up the phone. Give us a call right now. As Bobby said, the number is 1-888-484-4626. 1-888-484-G-MAN is the number. Give us a call, 888-484-4626. I have 3 free winners for today. All callers are going to get absolutely free just for calling Nebraska, Miami, Georgia Tech, Notre Dame, and Stanford, Southern Cal. For tomorrow, you're going to get the winner of the Niners, Steelers, the Patriots, Bills, and the Chargers, Bengals. 6-0 just for calling 888-484-4626, 888-484-G-MAN. Give us a call, 6 free winners. You could also listen to this radio show in its entirety. Just go to www.jerrywins.com. That's www.jerrywins.com. The show is posted right now online. You can listen to it from start to finish. And again, you can listen to it every week on the radio, on the website as well. While you're there, Bobby Edwards has his guaranteed pick, $99. You get the game. It don't win, you get your money back. So buy the game risk-free at www.jerrywins.com. And don't forget, if you're a small player, you just want to get your feet wet, give us a call, 888-484-4626, and just ask for the $299 special. You ask for the special, you'll get it. $299 for a whole month of service. You'll get our regular picks, and we'll get you built up so we can get you on the bigger and better things. But again, only $299 a month. That's $10 a day. We'll get you on the regular picks. 888-484-4626. You're listening to the Sports Advisors, and we will be right back.
Hey, folks, how many times have you heard information is power? 1 million or more? That's because it's true. Information is power, and information is at your fingertip simply by dialing the Sports Advisors right now. They'll give you the information on today's game, so ask for the free picks when you call. Do yourself a favor. Get the information that works for you on today's games from the man who has it, the Sports Advisors. Bobby and Jerry are standing by. 1-888-484 484-4626.
I'm Jerry Hendel of the Sports Advisors, the only three-time winner of the Las Vegas Sporting News Handicapping Contest, and we are on fire here at the Sports Advisors. I want all listeners to give me a call right now. I have a game today that will not lose. You heard me right. It will not lose. If you're tired of losing and you want to make money, give me a call right now. I have a game that will not lose. My number is 1-888-484-4626. That's 1-888-484-4626. 1-888-484-4626. Give me a call. We're here all day. Operators are standing by. And as I said, I have a game that will not lose. You call me and get this game, I will guarantee this game against the rest of the season. This game must win, or I'll give you the rest of the season absolutely free. Give me a call for this winner right now. The number is 1-888-484-4626. 1-888-484-4626.
Need the latest lines? TheSharpestLines.com. Need the latest scores? TheSharpestLines.com. Need fantasy football info? TheSharpestLines.com. It's there right now with real-time scores, lines, and fantasy football info and more. Get it all at TheSharpestLines.com. One more time, TheSharpestLines.com.
And we're back. You're listening to the Sports Advisors, the nation's #1 sports investment firm. In case you just joined us, I'm your host, three-time Las Vegas Sporting News handicapping champion. I'm Jerry Hendel. I'm joined in the studio by Bobby Edwards, who's going to give a free pick at the end of the show, so stay tuned. Bobby is our underdog specialist, and Bobby's on fire. Had a big underdog winner last weekend. Houston plus 14 over Louisville was a big, big game for us here, and we're going to talk a little bit about that in a little bit later in the show. But Bobby loves his underdogs, so stay tuned, and he's going to give you one that's going to win at the end of this show. All right? Now, if you're listening to this show right now and you got to leave the car, don't worry about it. You can go to the website and listen to the whole show. Go to www.jerrywins.com. www.jerrywins.com. The show is posted up right now. You can listen to it from start to finish. You can also listen to it every Saturday morning. The show is posted before you wake up, and you'll be able to listen to it. You won't have to wait for it to come on the radio. www.jerrywins.com. Also, while you're there today, Bobby has his guaranteed pick available. The game must win, or Bobby will refund your money in full. $99, bet the hell out of it, and if the game don't win, you got your money back. www.jerrywins.com. Also, give us a call for 6 free winners, 888-484-4626, 888-484-G-MAN. $80,000 bankroll games. Don't forget, code 777 will make you 8 times your money by Monday. But again, 888-484-4626 is the number. Give us a call. Bobby, you know, what a call on Houston last week. Houston plus 14 against Louisville. You told me that's a live dog. And folks, what a live dog is, it's a game that Bobby actually thinks has a chance in the game to win it outright. Okay, last week his live dog was UNLV, and they were plus 21, and they only lost by 8. I think they played Kentucky. Who'd they play? UNLV 2 weeks ago. Not last week, the week before. You said they were a live dog. They ended up taking a lead, I think, into the fourth quarter before losing by 8. It was UNLV against Northern Illinois.
Yeah,
they were a 3-touchdown underdog.
Yeah, kind of off-the-wall game on that one. But, some of these games, I don't want to say there's like an epiphany involved with it, but I do look at some of these games and I wonder where the spread is and how the odds makers got to that spread. And, I wish it happened on every game every day, but I'm looking at something like that today, folks, where I've seen it. Where you kind of see the final. It might sound a little crazy. I don't want to, do a Dionne Warwick moment here, but it is something that I do see, and I think it's going to be one of those games where you're going to kind of scratch your head and wonder if I'm nuts or not. But, the only way to find out what this game is, folks, is if you pick up the phone and you start dialing it so you can actually get on these games and listen. Listen, how many times, Jerry, does somebody call us up and say, I've been listening to the show for 2 months, 2 years. I finally saved enough money. $2.99 gets you in the door with us for 30 days of service. You only need $1,000 to get started, actually $2,000, $1,000 to us and then $1,000, to bet with. To get started with the $80,000. So there's really something for everybody. And if you've been listening to the show, pick it up. Now's the time to to get involved. Sports betting is a multi-billion-dollar industry. A lot of people are making money on it. A lot of people aren't. So the people that are out there, that work 40, 50 hours a week, and then they come home and they relax, watch a little ESPN, wake up Saturday morning like today, and look at the newspaper and expect to pull winners out. That's a tough way to go about doing this, and that's why the public wins 45% of the time. But if you want to get involved and have a much better chance of making money, 888-484-4626 is the number. At the end of the show, the last segment, I will be giving out a game that I think is going to be like a Houston-Louisville game or a UNLV game. So again, folks, the only way you're going to know about this and get involved and actually know if we can pull off what we're talking about here is by calling us up and getting involved. 888-484-4626.
Yeah, and some other games that we had on Saturday, we had Miami of Ohio plus 32. They lost 58-0, so that was a game
was ugly.
That was an ugly one.
Right.
Texas Tech with a blowout over UTEP. We had Washington plus 5.5 over Rutgers. UMass didn't look good, but UMass lost for us plus 12. California minus 13, an easy winner. And USC minus 44. Did Idaho have a football team, or did they send the band?
Yeah, that was
59-9.
Yeah, but then there's a perfect example where there's a big favorite. Probably the biggest favorite of the day was USC. It's kind of scary when you look at a game like that, laying 44.5. But again, if you look at the flip side of that, there's two ways of looking at these big favorites. Obviously, I always like to look at underdogs. Sometimes they work out, sometimes they don't. But in the future, you're going to see a lot of games that are going to be more like minus 10s, minus 12s. But all in all, again, this is a great time of the year to do this. Don't wait until October. 4 weeks of losing, you could be done for the whole year. So if you want a sports bet, you want to do it right, you want to have some information thrown at you that you could actually use, put to good use and make money with it. 888-484-4626 is the number to call us. We have a program for everybody, and I know today's going to be a big day in college football, and tomorrow we got some great pro games tomorrow, some great matchups, and these lines are way off, folks. So now is the time to capitalize, before the odds makers, to really, get their act together.
Right, exactly. And I'm going to basically explain the $80,000 bankroll to you guys again. The $80,000 bankroll games, folks, those are our best games. Those are the games that we put our money on. Those are the private stock games. Those are the games that you want to be on, because we don't play an $80,000 bankroll game unless it's information. Now, we don't win every single one of them, but we hit a high percentage of them. I mean, we go 3-0 more than we go 0-3, that's for sure. But anyway, the $80,000 bankroll games, initially that program was put together to turn 10 into 80. You bet $10,000, double it on the first game, turns it to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 80. If you don't quite have 10 grand to play with, you could start with 5. 5 becomes 20. 2,500 becomes 20 grand. And also, if you come in this week, this is the last week for the $1,000 special. We'll turn 1,000 into 8,000. Just come in. When you call 888-484-4626, 888-484-G-MAN, just use code 777. That'll alert the girl that answers the phone that you need to talk directly with me, Bobby, or Joe. We're the only ones that handle the 80K bankroll games. Again, code 777 for the $80,000 bankroll games, 888-484-4626. And then, Bobby, a lot of people are listening to the show and they're saying, well, where do I bet? Or how do I do this? Listen, you guys in Vegas and Reno, you could walk right into any casino and bet. And those casinos got plenty of money. They probably taken yours at one point or another. So now's your chance to get revenge on them. Walk in there and walk out with their money. It's legal bank robbery. You're going in there without a gun. You're going in there with a pen. So again, if you're in Vegas or Reno, it's a no-brainer. You just walk into the casino and bet. If you're anywhere else in the country, there's a million online places that you could go to, or you could get in a plane and fly out to Vegas, or if you're a big enough player, we'll go out there for you. But again, where there's a will, there's a way. So what we'll do is this. If you've never bet before or you're a seasoned gambler, give us a call. We'll walk you through everything. We'll explain it to you. Most people, what they say about us, Bobby, is that we're very good at explaining things. And, we're very thorough. And
another thing, too, is we'll never let a guy bet a game unless we know he did it right. So we'll walk him through it the first few times till they get the hang of it. Because, you don't want to make a mistake when it comes to thousands of dollars.
Yeah, and there's terminology on these websites that you might not know anything about, where you're risking your bet. There's
right.
just, there's things that the average person who's never done this before, they're not going to understand it.
Right, exactly.
The money line, the total, halftime bets, so it can be confusing.
Right.
So again, you're getting kind of the sports betting 101, but you're skipping a few courses because you have somebody like us who's kind of helping you. It's like the professor who's taking the test with you. We don't have all the answers, but we have most of the answers.
Right.
So, if you're going to sports bet, obviously we're all for it. That's what we do here. But there's a lot of ways to make money in this real world, and a lot of people are out there hustling 50 to 60 hours a week, working on, a lot of hours, barely making ends meet. If we can, make an extra 1,000 a month, 100 a week, whatever the numbers are, you have to look at it like that. And there's a lot of risk involved, but, hopefully we're doing our homework, which we do, and football is king. And this is the time of the year where, we probably make 60% of our money from September 1st to January 1st. Football season, everybody's betting. But not a lot of people are winning. So if you want to be, part of that percentage that's winning, 888-484-4626 is the number. We're here all day. If you can't call us today, you call us tomorrow. Call us during the week. We're here if it's football season. We're here every day. And then before you know it, you'll have basketball starts the end of October. So we'll have there's always two sports. The only time that there's one sport is in the summertime where it's just baseball. And that's basically after the NBA Finals.
And baseball's a good sport.
Yeah, and baseball's a great sport. I mean, how many times did we make money on underdogs?
Yeah.
Talk about a plus 150 underdog in baseball. You put 10 grand on that and it wins, you win 15,000. I know that probably just confused a lot of people, but if you call us, we'll figure it all out for you. It's not hard. Trust me, if I could figure it out, you could figure it out. 888-484-4626.
All right, folks, we are going to take a break, and we're going to come back with the last 10 minutes of the show, and Bobby's going to give you his free pick right here on the air, so stay tuned. And again, if you can't stay on the radio right now, you got to park your car or something, you could go in with your iPhone or your laptops or your nobody has, what do they call it, the computers with the big screens. What are they called?
Computers with big screens?
No. Oh. There's laptops and there's consoles, whatever.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, but anyway, listen to us on the internet. www.jerrywins.com. www.jerrywins.com. You can listen to this show in its entirety. And also, while you're there, you could get Bobby's guaranteed pick. $99. Game must win your money back. www.jerrywins.com. Folks, give us a call. 6 free winners for today and tomorrow. All callers are going to get the winner: Nebraska, Miami, Georgia Tech, Notre Dame, and Stanford, Southern Cal. For tomorrow, you're going to get the Niners, Steelers, the Patriots, Bills, and the Chargers, Bengals. 6-0, absolutely free. Even the phone call is free. Call us right now at 1-888-484-GMAN, G-M-A-N. 1-888-484-4626. 1-888-484-4626 is the number. 6 free winners. Also, the $80,000 bankroll games. We're doing this week. Last week, if you have $1,000 minimum, you want to turn that into $8,000 by Monday, use code 777 when you call us. You'll speak directly with me, Bobby, or Joe. We'll get you on the $80,000 bankroll games. Also, we got the $299 special. This is the last week for that. It's going to go to $599. So if you're just a small play and you just want to get involved in this and, stick your toe in the water, see how it is, you can get in for a very low investment. $299 for an entire month. Baseball, football, college and pro, everything. $299 for a month. Just ask the girl for the $299 special, and we'll be glad to put you on it. Again, 1-888-484-4626 is the number. Give us a call. We'll be right back. You're listening to the G-Man Sports Radio Network.
Hello, this is Bobby Edwards getting back to you from the Sports Advisors. We have been on fire since week 1, and I want everybody to pick up the phone and call us. I have a big underdog that's going to happen tonight. It's going to be one of my best underdogs of the year. You're going to pick up the phone and call us at 888-484-4626. That's 888-484-4626. 4626. My underdogs right now are hitting 65%. If you're out there and you're losing on your own, all you need to do again is pick up the phone. I'll have a big underdog tonight, and I can tell you right now, this is an underdog that's going to win outright. Pick up the phone and call us, 888-484-4626. But make sure you do yourselves a favor. If you're gambling on your own and you're not making any money, pick up the phone, 888-484-4626. I have a huge underdog that I'm looking at tonight that's going to win outright, 888-484-4626.
I'm Jerry Hendel of the Sports Advisors, the only three-time winner of the Las Vegas Sporting News Handicapping Contest. And we are on fire here at the Sports Advisors. I want all listeners to give me a call right now. I have a game today that will not lose. You heard me right. It will not lose. If you're tired of losing and you want to make money, give me a call right now. I have a game that will not lose. My number is 1-888-484-4626. That's 1-888-484-4626. 1-888-484-4626. Give me a call. We're here all day. Operators are standing by. And as I said, I have a game that will not lose. You call me and get this game, I will guarantee this game against the rest of the season. This game must win, or I'll give you the rest of the season absolutely free. Give me a call for this winner right now. The number is 1-888-484-4626. 1-888-484-4626.
Many have tried, but only one has ever accomplished it. And that was winning the Las Vegas Sporting News Handicapping Challenge 3 times. Not once, not twice, but 3 times. He is the only man that has ever done it. He is Jerry Hendel of the Sports Advisors. Call him for a free selection on today's action. Call him for a free selection right now to prove how strong his information is. Call him at 1-800-484-4626. 1-800-484-4626. Jerry Hendel, the only one.
And we're back. You're listening to the Sports Advisors, the nation's #1 sports investment firm. In case you just joined us, I'm your host, 3-time Las Vegas Sporting News handicapping champion. I'm Jerry Hendel. I'm joined in the studio by Bobby Edwards. Bobby is our underdog king, and he just told me in the off section, in the off thing, that he's going to have an underdog for free today, and it's an underdog that's going to win outright. So if you bet the game straight up, you'll make 1.5 times your money, because a 3-point underdog should pay about $150. So if you bet $500 on this game, you don't get the points, but you'll make $750 on it. So Bobby will tell you which game to play in a few minutes. So stay tuned. And as I said, if you can't listen to the show in its entirety, go to the website. You could listen to my show right now. It's posted, www.jerrywins.com. www.jerrywins.com. While you're there, Bobby's got his guaranteed pick, $99. Game must win, or he'll refund your money in full. Pay if you win with Bobby at www.jerrywins.com. But I want everybody to call us, because we have 6 free winners just for calling. It's 888-484-4626 is the number. 888-484-G-MAN. Give us a call right now for 6 free winners. Bobby, I was looking at some of these games that we had last week, even in the pros. We won some and lost some. We had a pretty good day on Sunday. We lost the Houston game. I don't know. They didn't even show up for the first 40 minutes of the game. They were down like big time, and they came back and made a game of it. They ended up losing by a touchdown. But we had Houston. We had Buffalo, nice underdog winner at home.
Great game.
The Dolphins, they were a little shaky at times, but they got it done against the Skins. We lose the Saints. What's up with Drew Brees? He sucks.
Yeah, and last year they won every game on the road and lost every game at home. So
we had Cincinnati, a big. Cincinnati was easy. That was like stealing.
Cleveland against the Jets.
The Giants Monday night.
Right. We
lose the Bucks, but if you're going to lose 42-14. At least you know you got to lose it there.
Yeah, Stanford that night,
and then the Lions and the over in the Giant game. So we were 6-3 Sunday. That's not a bad day. That's 67%.
Listen, between us. Listen, I would love to just say there's, one game on Sunday and one game on Saturday, but you can't do that. I mean, there's new people coming on board. There's old clients that have been with us for a while. So, you almost have to satisfy the masses. But by doing that, we're trying to limit the amount of games that that we're putting out there. So, we have website games. I mean, listen, we could sit here and talk about all the winners, but we are, we don't win every game. And so we do mention some of the games that lost because that's the right way to go about this.
Yeah, Miami, Ohio kicked us in the,
Oh, that was horrible.
shins.
I mean, I was embarrassed to even give that game out. But, I was embarrassed after the fact that they lost 58-0.
But you were right back on the phone with everybody, and you give them Stanford at night.
Stanford at night. And, Green Bay on Sunday was a great game. And
now you're off to the races again.
We win every game. We're not doing a radio show. I'm pretty sure we own a casino. But
exactly.
We're trying. All right. We're trying to put out there a product, a service that's going to help people make money. We're betting these games. So, it's, we have our skin is in the game, in other words.
Yeah,
so,
we do.
There's a lot of metaphors you could use, but
we have skin in the game.
We have skin in the game. I like that one. We'll leave it at that. But there's a lot of ways to make money on sports betting. If it's something you've been thinking about doing, if you've been listening to a show like ours, or I know there's companies before us and companies after us, so it's not like we're the only game in town.
But we're the only ones that you hear from September 12th until the end
March
of March.
Madness. I mean, a lot of these companies
they go off after the Super Bowl.
Anybody could advertise in football and hang around. I mean, because football attracts millions of people. Let's see if you're still there in February when we're still there in February.
Yep.
And we've been there for the last 10 years. So obviously we're doing something right. We win enough for our clients, to keep the doors open and to make people money. I mean, there's a lot of people that have made a lot of money. I'm talking hundreds of thousands of dollars, and there have been people that haven't done so well. So it works both ways, but obviously for us to still be on radio, we have to be winning more than we lose. Otherwise, it wouldn't be worth it for anybody here.
Yeah, man,
and we'd have no more money.
Is $90,000 a month in advertising.
Yeah, you're talking about a lot of money to be on these radio shows. So
they're not cheap.
And
they go up every year.
And they know who's good and who's not. I mean, the product managers for these radio stations, they need to know, are the people that are going on air, are they putting out a good product or a good service? Do they get a lot of complaints? So, 10 years running, we have to be doing something right. And that's winning for people and treating them the right way. I mean, we understand gambling. You could say it is a vice. It's a very emotional way to make money. I mean, the market, great, but it puts me to sleep. Exactly. I mean, let's not kid each other. It is my cure for insomnia, but you want to make, I mean, listen, making money on sports betting is exciting, and you get your money right away instead of, having to go into your 401k and you get penalized if you take the money out. So,
then Uncle Sam wants his cut.
Yeah, and then Uncle Sam wants his cut. Before you know it, your $10,000 is $3,000. 888-484-4626.
And also, when you guys hear the show, and I always bring it in, and I say I'm the only 3-time winner of the Las Vegas Sporting News Handicapping Championship. The Las Vegas Sporting News was a betting paper that came out every week, and they had a contest for all the handicappers to put their picks in. And for 3 straight years, I blew everybody away. I killed them. I mean, nobody even came close to me. I mean, I was in at like 69, 70%, and the next guy behind me was at 59%. And then you had a whole lot of people that were under 50% even. I don't even know why those guys bother. The only reason I don't do it anymore, Bobby, is they were selling my picks. So nobody gets my picks but people that pay me. So we stopped getting monitored. But for 3 straight years, nobody came close to me.
Yeah, and there were a lot of companies also that were paying off the owners of the Las Vegas Sporting News. So they were trying to pad their stats and make themselves look like they were hitting 78 to 80%. Yeah. Listen, folks, anybody who tells you they're doing 80%, hang up the phone, run for the hills. Nobody's doing 80%. I mean, we could pull it off on a weekend, but I'm talking about, 365 days. You're picking 2 or 3 games a day. If you can hit 60%, you're making people a lot of money. So, and it's also, how do you bet? Are you smart about the way you're betting the games? Mm-hmm. Are you putting all your eggs in one basket? And we get accused of that with the $80,000 bankroll system, but that's what we do. I mean, that's the only way to go from 1 to 8 is to bet it all. So obviously, we're very confident in the game that we're giving you and that we're betting if we're going to have you load up, 20, 30,000 on that game. 888-484-4626.
All right, Bobby, we got about 2.5 minutes left. What is your free pick, and what are you going to do with it?
All right, here you go, folks. I like Kentucky. +3 at home today against those Florida Gators. And Kentucky right now, if you're going to bet the money line, folks, now betting the money line means Kentucky just has to win the game. So they got to win it outright. Right now they're a small underdog, +3. I say you bet the money line. If you put $1,000 on the money line, it's about +150. So if Kentucky beats Florida outright, no point spread, you'll make back $1,500 on a $1,000 wager. That's a great bet. Okay, that's like winning 1.5 games today.
On
On the money line. So not point spread wise.
It's a 60-cent difference too, because you lay 110.
Exactly. So it's real money. So I'm saying today, Kentucky beats the Gators outright. I like how Kentucky played last week against South Carolina, and I think Kentucky. If there's any time that Kentucky's going to beat Florida, which never happens, today is the day that's going to happen.
Okay, that wraps up week number 2. But before we leave you, I want to just go through everything again. You must call me. It's week number 2. Call me. If you've been listening to the show for a long time or this is your first week, the worst thing people regret is, why didn't I call you years ago when I first started listening to you? That's the only regret people have, is that they didn't call me sooner. Call me right now for 3 free winners today and 3 for tomorrow. 1-888-484-4626. 1-888-484-G-MAN. 888-484-4626. You're going to get absolutely free Nebraska, Miami, Georgia Tech, Notre Dame, and Stanford, Southern Cal. For tomorrow, you're going to get the winner of the 49ers, Steelers, the Patriots, Bills, and the Chargers, Bengals. All 6 of those games are free. 888-484-4626. Go to the website. You can listen to this show in its entirety. www.jerrywins.com. The show is posted right up on the website. If you missed the first part of it, you could go back and listen to it. www.jerrywins.com. Also, the $80,000 bankroll games, code 777 when you call in, and that'll alert the girl that you want to speak to me, Joe, or Bobby. We'll get you on the $80,000 bankroll games. If you have as little as $1,000 to play with, I'll turn that 1,000 into 8,000. Next week, that's going up to 2,500. 888-484-4626, code 777. And don't forget about the regular picks. If you want to get a month of service and you want to just get the regular picks, just give us a call, 888-484-4626. Ask for the $299 special, and you'll get a month of service for $299. 888-484-G-MAN. 888-484-4626 is the number. Give us a call. You're listening to the Sports Advisors. We'll see you next week. Same time, same channel.